Hi guys, and welcome to Paint with Harpley. Today we will be painting a watermelon on Procreate. The list of supplies and brushes used will be in the description below. I first add a few layers under the paper and effects layer. Using my main brush, I use a dark green and draw a slightly curved shape. I then use a neon green and color a thin line just above the dark green. I then use a mix of reds, pinks, and oranges to fill in the shape of a watermelon. I do a curved line first, and then I use a bit of a lighter pink to just fill in spaces, leaving a lot of white space. Here I'm using a splatter brush to just fill in the white spaces. I try and vary the colors between darks and lights. I also splattered in a bit of yellow for interest. Here I'm using the wet brush to fill in a few of the white space. Now using the wet brush under the smudge brush feature, I'm going to gently just move my pencil up and down to create the watercolor effect. I just add in a little bit of red and white and smudge it into place. Now using my AN splatter brush, I try and add some texture to the painting and then smudge it into place. Now using the wet brush, I add seeds in a dark color and then the Procreate brush to add white highlights onto the seeds. Add highlights with the same Procreate pencil in white. Now using the splatter brush, I splatter a little bit of green and pinks and reds around the slice. Thanks for watching.